We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At exactly 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of a fiery apparition descending from the sky were made across the world. This apparition is believed to resemble the Christian God, Jesus Christ, who is making way for the second coming. It is unknown whether civilians will continue to live in the next hour. Religious experts encourage everyone to repent in the holy name for safety and to not apprehend the apparition until you are instructed to do so. Gather with any friends or family you care about as this event unfolds. John 4:16, and so we know and rely on the love God has for us. God is love. Whoever lives with love, lives with God, and God in them. This is the emergency alert system, signing off for the final time. May God bless you all.